my goodness.
So you might be saying, what on earth is going on? All right.
Yeah.
So what this is we are recognizing you, Franny, as a local Chilliwack legend for the work that you do at the hospice. And what we've done is we have $2,500 worth of supplies that you can use with your programs
Oh my gosh.
at the hospice. And we are so very glad to hand this over to you. So we have, about as much paint and product as I think you could use in a lifetime, hopefully, for your programs. So on behalf of all of us, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you for everything that to do. And there we go.
Thank you.
Yeah.